How to enable the old right-click context menu in Windows 11 is what I'm going to show you in this video. We'll start off by left-clicking the Windows Start menu button on your taskbar. Then on the search for CMD, which is command prompt. For some reason this is still in German, but this is the command prompt. Right-click it, run as administrator. Now once you're here, in order to enable the old right-click context menu, you want to copy and paste this thingy I put in the description, and this will enable you to get the old right-click context menu back. You would then have to press enter, exit this, and restart your computer, which will then result in this is the new one, and that should be the old one, like this, now that you restart your PC. If you want to go back to the newer context menu, open up your menu again, search for CMD, right-click, run as administrator, and now the second one I put in the description, the command. This will be the command to delete exactly that. Then enter, let it run, exit out of this, and you should be back to this context menu when right-clicking your desktop. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.